Just as I said, the beautiful appearance comes from Meyer Automatic Painting Workshop. It is designed with the environment protection concept.
Next, I will show you how it works through a video. Hello everyone, where I'm standing now is Meyer Intelligent Painting Workshop. In Chinese color sorter industry, only Meyer has its own painting workshop, and its original intention is to fully guarantee the appearance quality of the products. The entire workshop adopted an environmental-friendly design concept, which effectively explained the concept of Meyer. We can see that the entire workshop is very spacious. Its area is up to 11,000 square meters. The whole workshop is mainly divided into 4 areas. Each area is equipped with an automated production line. The first one is the pre-treatment area. It is designed with the world's leading environmentally friendly silane pre-treatment process that can not only enhance the adhesion of the surface of the parts, but also improve the coating quality and anti-corrosion effect that makes Meyer products more durable. This production line is for painting color sorter frames. As you know, powdering strain is more environmental friendly than banking paint. It has no pollution, and its powder utilization rate is over 95%. The anti-corrosive performance is also excellent. Meyer takes the world's famous powder equipment, the US Norton. That makes Meyer the only company in the industry to achieve powder coating for racks. Finally, this production line is mainly used for painting small parts of color sorters. The whole process can be divided into 10 parts, including spraying, drying, plastic spraying. That is a brief introduction of Meyer Intelligent Painting Workshop. Thanks for watching.